So Maharashtra Seamless posted very good results for Q4 of Fy22. So it is one of the leading company, the seamless pipe manufacturing company. So it has a capacity of around 55% in seamless pipe segment with a total capacity of 650,000 metric ton per annum. ERW pipes has a market share of 25% with a total capacity of 125,000 metric ton per annum. So the annual good result for Q4 of Fy22 with revenues of around 1419 crores and operating profit of 168 crores, net profit of 168 crores with a EPS of 14.75. In the previous quarter, it was 1139 crores and operating net profit of 95 crores. So the yearly results, total revenues is 4,200 crores and then operating profit is 583 crores, net profit is 380 crores. The previous year was 203308 crores and the operating profit 441 crores, 90 EPS, net profit of 98 crores. So it has almost around 190 crores increase net profit in the year. The full year, the stock is trading in just around book value at 580 levels and looks very attractive for long term. So it can be bought on every dips and bullish on this company.